passion lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say.
This is my 10th attempt trying to film this part of the video, so hit the like button. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to film a self-care day in my life because my life has been extremely boring and sad lately, and I have been feeling quite low since the last few days. So I decided to do a self-care day because it always works and I feel better at the end of the day. But this time I'm filming and therefore I'm very excited. I haven't really planned or decided anything at all, but I'm just gonna do whatever my heart feels like. But we're gonna try to stay hydrated. I'm gonna do some skincare, hair care, and do other stuff. So now without much further ado, let's get started with today's video.
Listening to the things I say, I've been thinking about how I let you down. Remember when I told you I thought that everything was gonna be okay? I wish I could go back, 'cause I changed every single word and every mistake. Still can't let you go. I don't hear a thing when I call your name. All the memories.
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground. We're closer to heaven.
Alright, so I am done, like for now. Now I'm gonna have my lunch and then probably take a nap. After which I'm gonna get up and do something, I don't know. Kuch to karungi and then I'll probably vlog. So hey guys, so it's 8 p.m. now and I woke up half an hour back. Now I have an idea and I also want to do it. That I wanna go and make some pancakes. So I think I'm gonna make that, and also I want to make some coffee because it's been quite some time that I didn't make pancakes. So I really feel like, so I'm gonna go make pancakes and also I'm gonna make coffee. After which I also want to journal, which I think I'll do before I go to bed. So yeah, let's go.
on down the road. When the time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know.
I completed writing one page of this journal, and it's already 10 p.m. and I think I'm gonna sleep early today. I had my dinner while watching some YouTube. So that's pretty much how I spent my day, and I am definitely feeling a lot better now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Until next time, stay positive. Bye.